To attach the bracket to the leg, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert 2 bolts into the 4-hole bracket. Slide the bracket inside the leg and align the bolts with the 2 matching holes in the leg. Step 2. Pull the first bracket upward to create space. Flip the second solid bracket so both brackets face away from each other, then slide it into the leg. Step 3. Align the 2 brackets and tighten the first bolt only. Use a drill or Allen key. The bracket is now securely attached to the leg. To connect the legs to the beams, follow these steps. Step 1. Slide the leg bracket end first into the open end of the beam until the brackets seat fully inside. Step 2. Pull the leg and beam tightly together so no gap remains between them. Step 3. Repeat this process for every remaining beam. All legs are now securely connected to their beams. To secure the legs to the beams, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert all the bolts through every bracket around the frame. Step 2. Checking as you go. Tighten each bolt with a drill or Allen key, making sure that every leg and beam sits perfectly flush. No gaps anywhere. To attach the return bracket to the beam, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert the first return bracket into the slot on the beam. Step 2. Repeat with the second bracket on the opposite side. Step 3. Insert a bolt into each bracket and tighten fully with a drill or Allen key. The return brackets are now securely installed. If you have purchased the modern new metal frame, the return attachment slightly differs. Follow these steps to attach the return frame to the desk frame. Step 1. Attach the return beam to the existing table beam, sliding it in until the bolt holes align, then secure it with a drill or an Allen key. Step 2. Connect the side beams and return legs to create a complete return frame, tightening all hardware so the frame sits square and level. You have completed the return frame. To attach the tabletop to the frame, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the tabletop onto the frame, aligning its edges with the frame's perimeter. Step 2. If you have multiple tabletops, position them so their seams are straight and all outer edges sit flush. Step 3. From beneath the beam, drive screws up through the holes of the beam into the tabletop, tightening as you go, and rechecking that everything stays flush. The tabletop is now securely fastened to the frame. To attach the return legs to the tabletop, follow these steps. Step 1. Position the return tabletop upside down on a padded surface. Step 2. Place the first leg at its designated corner. Flush its edges with the tabletop, and drive the screws fully with a drill or screwdriver to secure the leg. Step 3. Repeat. Step 2 for the opposite corner with the second leg, checking that both legs sit square and flush. The legs are now securely attached. To attach the return to the tabletop, follow these steps. Step 1. Lower the return tabletop onto the mounted return brackets. Step 2. Check that the return tabletop sits flush with the main tabletop on all edges. Step 3. Drive screws through each return bracket into the underside of the return tabletop, tightening them fully. Your metal frame desk is now fully assembled.